everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. Today it's Ozzy here again. Today we have another fragrance review post usage, as we're following the same pattern for the last few videos. Today's fragrance is Hugo Iced, which is something I picked up from TJ Maxx, or was it Marshalls? I believe it was TJ Maxx. From TJ Maxx. Actually, no, it was not TJ Maxx. I got this from Marshalls. Yes, Marshalls, another discounter of fragrances. I got this from Marshalls for $25, which is a great steal. It's a 75ml bottle. I decided to pick it up, and this is a fresh fragrance. I've kind of run out of fresh fragrances in my wardrobe, so in my closet, so I wanted one for like casual usage, and this was perfect. I saw it, saw the opportunity for getting a great deal, so here it is. In the front of the packaging, you can see an outline of the bottle itself, and it says Hugo Iced 75 mils eau de toilette. The side is red with Hugo embossed on the side, Hugo Boss. Top is again red background with black lettering, Hugo Boss. And the left side is actually a continuation of the bottle from the front. Back you just have the list of ingredients, bottom you have the batch code and barcode. So let's take it out. Typical packaging, nothing specifically spectacular. So here's the bottle. Now there is a different version of the bottle where it comes in the classic flask shape, but this 75ml version is in a different style. So there you go. This is the bottle, and it's nothing special. It's just like your typical Hugo bottle, easy to hold in the hands. Of course, you have a plastic cap, and then you have Hugo Boss written in red font on the front of the glass. You have Ice written at the top. It is cylindrical. At the bottom you just have where it's made in, and this one is made in, let me see if I can read it, made in Germany. So Hugo Boss is a German brand, so no surprise there. So made in Germany, and then this plastic cap comes off. There you go. Nothing spectacular here. You just have a typical cap off and spray bottle. So yeah, eau de toilette. Let's see the spray, how it goes. Oh, which hand should I try? Let's try it on the shirt actually. Okay, there you go. Good spray, good pressurized spray. Yeah, it's a rather citrusy, fresh fragrance, and I'm gonna read the note breakdown for you guys. I don't like the cap so much, so as you can see, it's not great. It doesn't have a great feel to it. It clicks in pretty solid, but don't rotate it. It's not great. So it was launched in 2017 actually, so it's been around a while. Hasn't really picked up a lot of interest. That's why you can find a discounters for from really steal deals. Launched in 2017. Top notes are mint and tea. Don't know how I feel about the tea part, but definitely mint I can pick up in the top note. Middle notes are bitter orange and juniper. Definitely, that is definitely something I can sense right now. Base note is vetiver. Maybe like towards the end of the dry down you can get it. I've owned this for about 3 months. I don't really sense too much of vetiver in here. However, it is very fresh. I can tell you there's some sea salt notes in here for sure that aren't mentioned. I smell sea salt. I smell very strong lemon in here. I don't know why they haven't written that, but I definitely smell very strong lemon in the top notes. It's your classic fresh fragrance. It's got a very bright opening. It does grab your attention, makes you feel like, it's, you just come out of the shower, like a shower gel feel basically, and definitely very cooling. You can get a cooling sensation. Once I put this on the skin, I get a cooling sensation, hence the name Ice. So it is good. I do like it. I will say, however, for some people who are not specifically into lemon and zesty fragrances, this may come off as very strong, and if you use this, you might, once or twice I've had an occasion where I put it on early in the morning and I start sneezing. It may have been that the the strong lemon went straight to my nose and irritated it. So if you're having a day where you're feeling a little bit allergic and your nose is a little bit sensitive, don't put this on. And but other days it's been great. I mean, it's really nice. It's a very pleasant smell. But I would definitely say that if you're having some allergies or running a little under the weather, don't put this on. It can be a little bit strong for the nose to handle. It comes in 75 ml. It also comes in 125 mils. I think the 75 ml is pretty decent value for money, and it's very aromatic. Again, it's a green fragrance, more of a classic greens, fresh fragrance, I would say. And compared to the Bulgari Wood Neroli that I reviewed, this one is less refined. That one's more refined. So this one is definitely more suitable for just casual use. I will say this, casual use, and perhaps fall and winter are not the best seasons for this. Spring and summer, I would say spring and summer, daytime wear, casual wear is where it really shines, or just in your house. Like typical of any fresh fragrance, the longevity is not great. After 3 hours, I would say it's pretty much gone. Starts losing strength after 2. So spray on as much as you want. You will get maximum 3 hours, or if you're really lucky, maybe 4 hours of this. But on average, I would say 2 hours of time is what you should expect from this. So definitely something to apply at the last minute if you want people to give you compliments. I mean, so far, the only people who've actually commented on this are ones that are close in family, where I've just put the fragrance on maybe like an hour ago. Now compare that to Bulgari Man Wood Neroli. I've gone out, I've gotten compliments on it after 4 or 5 hours of wearing it. Same thing with Paco Rabanne, you know, we're in for 8 hours and still people could smell it on me. And then what else did I review recently? Uomo, you know, you can still smell that on me after a couple, 4 or 5 hours. But this is a fresh fragrance. So obviously people are closest to you, where you've put on the fragrance just like maybe an hour or 2 before, they will smell it. I will say this, however, the longevity is better than Acqua di Gio. Acqua di Gio is very weak compared to this. It doesn't last very long. This one lasts much longer than that. It's stronger than that too, for sure. So yeah, that's a good, fresh, spicy, citrusy fragrance to have in your collection. If you find it on a deal, I would not pay more than $25 for this. And if you can find it for the same price and you're looking for a fresh fragrance and you can handle the strong lemon notes in the top, then definitely go for it. I don't know why they mentioned tea in here. I don't smell a lot of tea. Maybe they're talking about mint tea, perhaps. But anyways, that's it for today's review. Take care, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.